Did you know that 64% of Americans drink coffee every day? But how many of us are truly getting the best cup possible? Imagine starting every day with cafe-quality coffee, right from your kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of Breville, the coffee machine that's changing the game for coffee lovers everywhere. Known for its precision and innovation, Breville brings barista-quality coffee into your home, making your mornings easier and tastier. Traditional coffee makers can be frustrating. Maybe your coffee lacks consistency, with each cup tasting different. Or you waste time waiting for it to brew. Or perhaps you want that perfect espresso, but you find the process too complicated. These problems can make your coffee experience less enjoyable, and for serious coffee lovers, that's just not acceptable. That's where Breville coffee makers come in. With features like dose control grinding, optimal water pressure, and precise temperature control, Breville ensures you get the perfect cup, every time. Number 1. Breville BES870XL Espresso Machine. Get cafe-quality coffee at home with the Breville BES870XL. Featuring an integrated grinder, precise temperature control, and a steam wand for milk frothing, it delivers the perfect espresso or cappuccino every time. Elevate your coffee game today. Number 2. Breville Bambino Espresso Machine. The Breville Bambino makes barista-style coffee quick and easy. With fast heat-up time and automatic milk frothing, you can enjoy a perfectly brewed cappuccino or latte in seconds. Compact, powerful, and perfect for any kitchen. Number 3. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Meet the Breville Barista Express, the ultimate espresso maker for coffee enthusiasts. With intelligent dosing, assisted tamping, and 25 grind settings, you get full control for rich, balanced espresso every time. Become your own barista at home. Number 4. Breville Duo Pro Espresso Machine. The Breville Duo Temp Pro is built for consistency. With low-pressure pre-infusion and automatic temperature control, every cup is perfectly balanced and flavorful. Ideal for coffee lovers who want simple, great-tasting espresso. Number 5. Breville Essenza Mini. Compact yet powerful, the Breville Nespresso Essenza Mini delivers barista-grade espresso at the touch of a button. With 25-second heat-up time and automatic shut-off, it's the ultimate convenience for coffee lovers. Perfect for any space. Check out the links in the description below to explore these Breville machines and grab yours today. And don't forget to subscribe for more coffee tips and tricks.